it's Dr. Rogini. Did you know your body can actually heal faster than you think? Okay, you can heal it instantly. What does that look like, and how does that really happen? As a chiropractor, over 17 years, I've seen over and over again patterns in people's body, mental patterns, physical patterns, karmic patterns, soul patterns. All these different patterns hold our body back from fully, truly healing. Okay, so what I want to share here today is your body, in order to heal like this or allow it to do this, it has to be in a certain vibration, in a certain frequency, where your channels are not blocked. So we'll be doing this in our life workshop that's coming on June the 9th. It's going to be a powerful, powerful workshop. I'm going to help you to get deep into your body, to have more awareness of yourself, so you can allow your body to heal and allow your body to get into that rested state. That rested state is the quantum field. Okay? In that field, there is no time, space, and reality. Those things don't exist. It's like you're in a void, in a vacuum, in a vortex. Okay? Some of you probably heard all these terminologies, but the key here is not about what your mind knows, is what your body can perceive, what the body can have. So when you join on Monday, we're going to go deep. I'm going to support you through the process. There's going to be lots of crying, lots of feeling, lots of releases. We're going to have a fantastic time. It's going to be 4 weeks intensive. So every Mondays, 7 to 9. For all the details, you can go into the link and read about the details, or you can call our clinic. Okay, our girls can help you out with that as well. And I would love to see all your faces. Love to see everybody, because I have so many followers and so many of you guys are shying away. And let me tell you something. Sometimes you have to get out of that shyness in order for the body to heal. That's also a mental block that holds you back. Okay, so join. Okay, please join. I'm there for you. I'm here to help you. I know how it feels. Sometimes it's hard to go and tell the truth, and it feels a little bit uncomfortable to share your truth. I get it. We all have been there. This is why God chose me to be the chiropractor to help you. Okay, so we'll see you. And if by any chance, if you think you cannot make it to some of those days, we are going to record those videos so you can watch them again. So we're going to be uploading them afterwards. Okay, so, but it would be great if you join, if you can make your time and join those days. It's only 4 weeks, but the reason why I made it 4 weeks to maintain your vibration. The longer you maintain that vibration, during that time, your body starts healing. I get it. Life throws all these different things, right? And then it's hard to keep that vibration high. So this is why I'm there for you for 4 weeks. Okay, and it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have so much joy in the process. The whole point is to create that state. The resting state creates pleasure and joy and happiness. Healing does not occur when you're in a state of anxiety, frustration, anger, resentment, jealousy, competitive energy in the body. That doesn't do it as well. There's so much deep stuff that I want to share in the workshop. We'll talk all about that. If you feel like you resonate with it, sign up right now. Don't wait. Before the mind starts to come in and say, don't do it, sign up. You will transform. I know you can. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.